I wanted to show you how pretty the woods are right now. There's been a huge rainstorm that came through. We're gonna go off trail a little bit. Yeah, let's just walk through the woods a bit. This will be cool. I feel like I'm gonna get bit by a snake. Look at that. Bunch of plants, flowers. It's pretty. Okay then. Look at that ahead. Well, my finger's been over the microphone this whole time, so everything probably sounds muffled. That's annoying. That's a big log. Look at that. That's cool. Shame. There's trash. Huh. Guess I'll go up and over. There we go. That's how we get over that. I think there's a little frog that just jumped there. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Okay. Guess we go forward. I've seen enough horror movies to know that this is a bad idea, but I really hope that the video caught what I just heard. I kind of want to find out what it was. This is really tough to go through. All right. That was like a whooping sound from behind us. That's a cool tree. All right. There's a little spider web there. Some type of orb weaver. Oh, geez. There was a vulture right there. Well, that didn't give me a heart attack. Okay. That's a piece of trash, I hope. Otherwise, it's more bones. If it's more bones, I don't know how I feel about that. There's a soccer ball. I really hope those bones were like deer bones or something. They probably were, I think, right? I hope. Shit.